Hi, it's Keith Townsend from the CTOadvisor.com with another coffee chat. We're going to talk a little bit of NSX Glue or Cloud Glue. NSX, VMware's network virtualization product, has been fairly successful when it comes to security use cases and doing microsegmentation. However, one of the, I think, breakout use cases is the hybrid cloud use case. Simon Sherwood over on the Register pointed out a really interesting blog post over on VMware site where VMware talked about using VMware NSX to do multi-cloud integration. They wasn't really detailed. I think it was more of a preamble to VMworld 2016. And what I'm hoping VMware announces in VMworld 2016 around NSX is Cloud Glue. After VMworld 2015 last year, in which VMware had announced the preview of running NSX inside of AWS, I kind of took that to the next level and said, what happens when NSX is able to run inside of Google Compute or Microsoft's Azure? It already runs inside of VMware's own vCloud Air public cloud service. You virtually have the ability to extend what some might call their legacy network out to the cloud. Why is that important? I think enterprises are really behind the curve in creating cloud native applications. They really rely on layer 2, layer 3 networking, traditional storage protocols such as NFS. They look at the cloud as just an extension of their data center. This is the ideal around vCloud Air. It hasn't really taken off, but enterprises are resistant to change. For various reasons, I think there's a great appeal to use NSX as the glue to be able to stitch together this separate cloud networking stacks and allow enterprises to move workloads from cloud to cloud without considering networking as a barrier to that, which makes NSX a cloud glue potentially. Again, I'll be hosting the Cube on Tuesday. I'm going to ask Dom Delfino, a VMware NSX exec, these questions directly. Hopefully, there's an announcement by then, and we can talk in some level of detail about how NSX can enable organizations to extend their network beyond their on-premises solution. I want to give a special plug to my new Pluralsight course, AWS Security Fundamentals. If you're into AWS, into security, want to know what AWS's security posture is, check out the course. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised about the level of detail I go into and when it comes to what you can do with AWS and enabling your security policies directly related to NSX. Follow me on the Twitter at CTOadvisor and on the web, thectoadvisor.com. Talk to you next coffee chat.